Today I'm going to explore various techniques for creating walk cycle animations in Canva. Let's go to canva.com and open a new video project. Click on Elements and type Sidewalk. Click on Graphics and let's choose this street and resize it. Go back to Elements and type Walking, and go to Settings and click on Animated. Select the character and add it to the video. Resize and select the Animate option. Then click on Create Animation, hold down the Shift key while dragging to the right and choose Steady. You'll be able to see the result afterwards. The second method for creating the animation involves adding movement to the background. Let's add other street image to the page and resize it, making it bigger than the page. Let's add animation to the background. Click on Animate and create animation. Hold it and move it to the left. Now let's add the walking man and position it in the left. Click on Animate and then create animation. Hold the Shift key and drag to the left, then select Steady to see the result. In the third video we'll work with this straight model graphic. First let's go to Elements and add a street image and resize it. Now let's add a delivery man and click on Settings and select Animated. Increase the timing of the page and duplicate it. Click on the second page to resize the background, then adjust this element as well. Add a transition by selecting Match and Move, and set it to 5 seconds. You'll be able to see the result, and after it loads, split it so only the animated parts remain. Your video is now complete. Simply edit it using your preferred editing software.